Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. This is a practice video where you will be practicing how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. We have a lesson video on how to do this. Make sure that you hit the link above in case you haven't already watched it. Then come back and practice. I want you to pause your video, solve the equation, and then come back and see how you did. We will have 4 equations for you to solve. You will love multiplying fractions. I'm sure you've already figured that out, that they're easy peasy, right? You just multiply the numerator, 5 times 1 is 5, and then multiply the denominator, 8 times 3 is 24. The hardest part might be if you don't know your multiplication tables, that might be the hard part. I do have a multiplication chart in the description. Print that off. Make sure you keep practicing all of your multiplication until they're all memorized, at least from 0 to 10. It'd be better if you went from 0 to 12. Makes math much easier. This is simplified, and the reason I know that because anytime I have a factor of a multiple of 5, it's going to end with a 5 or it's going to end with a 0. And this does not, so we cannot simplify it anymore. 5 over 24 is your best answer. Pause your video, solve the equation, and then come back and see how you did. Let's multiply our numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. And our denominator, 11 times 6 is 66. I'm going to reduce that. And I know that 3 probably goes into both of these. So I'm going to divide each number by 3 to reduce it, to simplify it. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 66 divided by 3 is 22. I cannot simplify anymore. I have an odd number at the top, an even number at the bottom. Can't go any smaller with 3. So we have our simplified answer, 3 over 22. Pause your video, solve the equation, and then come back and see how you did. 5 times 7 is 35, and 7 times 10 is 70. Actually, 35 times 2 is 70. So I can divide both of these by 35 and to simplify. And 35 divided by 35 is 1. 70 divided by 35 is 2, and our answer is 1/2. We have one left. I made this one a little bit more challenging. Pause your video, solve the equation, and then come back. Now I'm going to give you a hint before you go. If you don't know what 12 times 8 is, just figure it out off to the side. "11 times 7 is 77. Love the 11s. Just double the number, right? Now I have 12 times 8. If you don't know your 12s, come over here and just figure it out. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So now I still have a great big number, right? And can I reduce this? Was anybody able to reduce this? The only 2 multiples, or the only 2 factors of 77 are 1 and 77. And then 7 and 11. So I need to see if 96 can be divided by 7 or 11. And it cannot. So this is our simple or reduced answer, 77 over 96. The hardest part of that one was 12 times 8. If you didn't have it memorized, always use scrap paper. I hope you enjoyed doing that. There are practice sheets. Just do it for fun, even though you know how to do it. And again, if you don't know your multiplication, then take that time to memorize all your multiplication from 0 all the way up to 12, and it'll make math much easier.